Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today, we're going to cover two simple ways to change power settings in your Windows 10 machine. Whether you're looking to conserve battery life or optimize performance, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. The first way to adjust your power settings is through the classic control panel. Here's how you do it. First, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Select the Control Panel app from the results or just press Enter. In the Control Panel window, click on Hardware and Sound. Under Power Options, click on Change Power Plan Settings. You'll see a list of power plans such as Balanced, Power Saver, and High Performance. Select the one that suits your needs. If you want to customize a plan, click Change Plan Settings next to the selected plan. You can adjust settings like when the display turns off or when the computer goes to sleep. This method is great if you like detailed control over your power settings. It's like having a custom fit suit for your PC, tailored to your exact needs. Just don't let your PC get too comfortable in power saver mode, or it might start taking naps when you need it most. The second way to change your power settings is even easier. Let's use the Windows Settings app. First, you want to click on the Start menu and select Settings or the gear icon. In the Settings window, click on System. On the left-hand side, select Power and Sleep. Here you can quickly adjust when your screen turns off and when your computer goes to sleep. For more advanced options, click on Additional Power Settings under the Related Settings section. This will take you to the Power Options menu we looked at earlier. This method is quick and user-friendly, perfect for when you're in a hurry but still want to tweak your settings. It's kind of like the fast food of power adjustments. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to change power settings in Windows 10. Whether you prefer the classic control panel or the settings app, you can customize your PC's performance to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.